First of all, if you've not subscribed, please consider doing so. Hit the notification bell to be notified of uploads and live streaming. And if you like this kind of video, give it a thumbs up. But look at that. Nice and cold this morning. Good frost. First one of the season. That's what I'm hoping for. This right here. Anywho, we're heading up to the slaughterhouse this morning. Pick up quite a bit of bait this time. We'll probably go with probably 3 half drums and about 4 buckets. Take them up to the bait station. Stick around and stay with me. Hope today's a good day. We'll find out. Latched that back because, you know, if they tell you to latch them back, power or not, you latch them back. That's just good business. Try to be respectful landowners, children. That bait's heavy. Woo, it's gonna be a sight getting it out there. I'll drag it. Let's see what we've got going on, if anything. May have a pack of buzzards or dogs or herd of possums or anything up here. We're about to find out. Private land, baby. 110 acres. Love it up here. They're moving all their cattle down to the lower end of the field. So, you know. I've caught Bob out of here now, and a lot of them. It'll be nice to see a big coyote up here this morning, wouldn't it? I may shorten this film, bouncy. Main thing is get up here. I gotta get all this garbage out of there. Like I said, there's wrappers and stuff that I'm not leaving, but we're gonna ease up. I brought the Smitty this morning, so we'll be aware of what's going on. There's a bait station. Let's see what's going on. A little bit of footage. We'll shut this truck down. Ease out. Hard to see anything through a nasty window. Let's ease over here and see what we got. See what we got going on. Yeah, they've wallowed it out. Yeah, they've come through here sideways. They're using that heel right there. See? Look. Look here. Look here. I'll do a spot for snares, buddy. Yeah. Look at my view right here, boys and girls. I'm locked and loaded. Yeah, they've got it wallowed out. It's the side over there. It's the side. Let's walk over and look at it. Yeah, look here, see? Right through there. See the vegetation above it? That trail below it? Running the wild dogs or anything, yeah, look here. Look. Running the wild dogs or anything up here. Talking about far in the hole. I will, without a doubt, put the shells out. Yeah, they cleaned it up. Yeah, they've got trails all out through here. Yeah, they wiped it all out, deer and all. Look here. Yeah, they took it all this time. They took it back up that way. Got a little bit of garbage right there. They took it back up that way. Ain't nothing left. There's a glove. Whoop. I think I pointed with my gun, didn't I? There's a lag. I'll get this mess up right here. Yeah. See, look right through here. Right through there. Right around. I found a glove. That's about it, a glove and a piece of rag or something. But you can see where they took it to. Took it right over there. As far as they've got with it. There it is. Right over there. Right up beside that right there. See that beside that tree? That hole right there? Snare. Right over there? Snare. Just keep biting, keep moving. I gotta get my game cam up. I'm gonna put my game cam probably right there on that tree right there. One right there. And one right over there. Where that tree is. Point it back this way. I'll put two out. So I'll get these gloves and stuff up. Drag that meat over here. Stay with me. A few gloves, a few cans, a few odds and ends. I'll get that out of there. We're gonna get them gloves up. But I don't want to leave that garbage up here. But you can see where they've drug it over there. These places right here, man, they've absolutely wore it out. So that was heavy. That's a big old pile right there now. But now there's some deer still left over there. A little bit of hair, a little bit of odds and ends, but bones or two. Skunk like it's that marrow of them bones. So, but you can see where they come right through there. I wish the pictures, the video just don't do it, you know. But like I said, I'll put me a game cam up back there on that tree right there, maybe. And put one over here, maybe. Just depends on what we see, you know. I'll have two game cams up by the time we come back up here. But this was a hurry job right here. This was a hurry job. Stay with me. Let's get this out. There we go. Got all the garbage out of it. God almighty, you're talking about a load. That's a good load. I'd like to have two more of those barrels though. Well, I got some of that garbage. It was a glove or two over there. I'm not leaving no garbage up here. I'll take a snapshot of this. When we come back, we'll see where it's at. That deer is over there. I need to put me up a game cam right there. And one right here. That tree. Catch both angles. See, I like to know what's coming in. Now it's time for the game cam. But the next run is going to be, I think he said Tuesday, about Tuesday or Wednesday. I left him some buckets. He's gonna fill them up, and he's gonna fill his tubs up, and I'll swap them tubs out. So I like to have 4 or 5 good loads before season set in. But nevertheless, this is it. This is the bait station. I got my garbage here. I drag that all the way from over yonder. Whew. But there it is. Stay with me. Well, makes round 3. I've had me at least 4 or 5 more good loads before season, and then continue to keep it baited up. That's the game plan. If they're using that hill off this bank right here, we're going to stop down at the bottom of the hill and see if we see anything. If we see anything, I'll make a video. If not, then, you know. But, what a view. It's Roland Smith Mountain Bush Crafters Alliance. Always go farther, stay longer. Appreciate you for everything that you do for me and my family. For the Mountain Bush Crafters Alliance channel. I'll catch you out yonder somewhere. Thanks for watching.